Hi, happy Monday after Thanksgiving. Just walking to my neighborhood Starbucks. It's been a while since I made one of these videos, and I just wanted to share a quick pro tip. If you haven't basically connected with your schedulers or coordinators for the holidays, it's besides the kind of greetings and hey, happy holidays and stuff, just check in with them and let them know your travel plans. I know that for me, different times when I've done that, they appreciate you letting know where you're going to be, not because of where, basically to just be available and stuff, but sometimes there's either gigs or inspections or work that's outside of your area that they need covered. And if you can help out, they'll really appreciate it. Plus, sometimes it's an opportunity to be paid to travel. I mean, I've had different times where I was visiting a friend down San Diego and simply mentioned it, and sure enough, there was work that was available for me to basically pay for the trip and then some. So it's another one of those things that we don't really think about, but ideally, especially if it's a scheduler or coordinator who you've built up a relationship, this is definitely one way that you can basically reap the rewards of some of those karma points. And you did do that, right? You did work on building a relationship, you did stay in contact, you did do good work for them and stuff. So this is where one of those times that it pays off and stuff. So just wanted to share this pro tip. As always, subscribe for more tips like this. And this is something that I'm gonna make exclusively available just to the subscribers on my Facebook page and as well as the insiders. Thanks so much, and we look forward to hearing about your success.